Here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Willowbrook Mall in Houston, Texas. It's a Montgomery Kone installed in 1997, the same exact year I was born. It's probably all the way up at 3. Whatever this is very slow. I love that lantern. This is the last elevator I'm gonna film. There's a Schindler 3300 at Macy's Men, but that's locked. See if the lantern works on this floor. Nice. I might go for one more ride. It's really hard to press these buttons with the gloves. In case you were wondering, I actually came to this mall. I remember coming to this mall back in 2010, and I remember riding these elevators since then. I mean, I recorded them before, but unfortunately I don't have the videos anymore, so this is why I'm coming here to do an updated take on these elevators. Well, a little bit low on oil. Well, not necessarily an updated take because I've never filmed these before. I mean, I have rode these elevators, but I never filmed them for my channel until now. And I've been kind of dying to come here for quite the time. According to Anthony020501, he said that there was a decommissioned older Otis Series 1 somewhere, but unfortunately I don't know where that is, and I'm also in a rush. I'm not here for too long because right after this is done, I have to catch a bus to get home, so I'm a little bit in a rush. Now, I cannot guarantee if I can get on the Dover Impulse at AMC. If it's locked or secured, then this is the last elevator in this mall. I'm not gonna do Deerbrook because it's way out of the line, but maybe I'll film at Deerbrook probably like later on, mid-year, or maybe next year. Oh my gosh, the door slammed loud. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.